Our today talk is on homeschooling. Creating the ultimate homeschooling model. A comprehensive visual guide to designing an educational approach that works for your unique family dynamic and learning needs. Why traditional education models fall short? One size fits all approach. Basically, the traditional education model based on one size fits all approach. This approach basically is a single solution method or policy designed to be universally applicable or effective for everyone, regardless of individual needs or circumstances. So, this is the reason about traditional education model fall short. Traditional schools follow rich curricula that cannot adapt to individual learning, paces, interest, or cognitive style. So, this is the reason of failing the traditional education model. These are the four pillars of effective homeschooling. The first one is structure, which consistent routines and clear expectations provide the foundations for successful learning while maintaining enough flexibility to adapt to individual needs. The next is flexibility, the ability to adjust pace, methods, and timing based on your child interest, energy level, and life circumstances. Resources, access to diverse educational matters from traditional textbooks to online courses and hands-on learning experiences. The fourth one is community, connection with other homeschool families, mentors, and educational sports network for guidance and socialization. So basically, homeschooling approach based on a individualizations educational approach, while traditional is a collective educational approach. Designing your learning environment. So, as is the basic principle of homeschooling. Physical spaces that inspires, dedicated study area with good lighting, quick reading corner with comfortable seating, storage solutions for material and supplies, wall space for displaying work and achievements. One of the space displayment is also presenting in this slideshow. You can observe and see. The next is digital learning setup, reliable internet connections for online resources, age appropriate devices for each children, educational software and learning platform, digital organization system for assignment. So these are some necessary requirements and arrangements which are very necessary for homeschooling model. Curriculum selection framework. Assess learning style, identify whether your child learns best through visual, auditory, kinesthetic, or reading writing method. So which method is more suitable for a single individual will be explore and ensure availability of that learning style for effective learning. The next is define goal. Establish clear dynamic objective while considering college prep, career interest and personal development. Goal should be clear and smart. Next is compare approaches. Evaluate traditional Charlotte Mason, Montessori, unschooling and unit study method for best fit. Test and adapt. Start with trial period and be willing to adjust or combine approaches based on what works. Technology integration for enhanced learning. Number one is interactive learning platform. These are some technology based platform. First is interactive learning, which include Khan Academy, iExcel and Coursera offer structured lessons with immediate feedback and progress tracking. Second one is virtual field trips. Google Earth, museum virtual tours and live webcams bring the world into your classroom experience. Third one is creative tools, video editing software, coding platform and digital art program develop 21st century skills and creativity. Visual program tracking methods. First one is portfolio assessment. Collect work samples, photos of projects and reflective journal to document growth over time. The second is digital tracking tools. Use apps like Homeschooling Planet or Excel spreadsheet to monitor completion rates and identify areas needing attention. So on through these process and activities, we visualize progress of the students. Next is building your sport network. We can build sport network through online communities, educational services and local co-ops. Online community, first one is some of the examples are Facebook groups, Reddit forums and specialized platform connect you with experienced homeschoolers worldwide. Next, educational services, tutors, online teachers and specialized programs fill gaps in subject that where you need extra support or expertise. The next is local co-ops. Join nearby homeschooling groups for shared classes, field trips, and societal activity that enrich your child experience. Overcoming common challenges in homeschooling. The first one is time management solutions. Block scheduling for focused learning periods. Batch similar activity together. Use timer to maintain structure and breaks. The second is socialization opportunities. Sports teams and clubs in your community. Volunteer work and services project. Regular play dates and group activities. The next is preventing parent burnout. Scheduled regular breaks and personal times. Share teaching responsibility with spouse. Connect with other homeschooling parents for support. So, on these sums, activities and techniques and tactics, we can overcome most of the challenges which are faced by parents during homeschooling of their child. Your personal action plan. The next one is assess your family needs. First thing is complete learning style assessing and identify your educational priorities and constraints. The second is design your learning space. Set up both physical and digital environments that support focused, enjoyable learning experience. The learning must be an enjoyable activity. Select initial curriculum. Choose material for core subjects, knowing you can adjust as you learn with work best. Fourth one is connect with community. Join local co-ops and online groups to build your support network before you need it. The last one is start small and adjust. Begin with a simple routine and gradually add complexity as everyone becomes comfortable with the new system. Thank you very much for your time and attention.